A tow truck driver non-forcibly enter someone's car? For context, I generally want to know what the rule of law says, generally in the majority of states about this. That's okay, it's a question. I can only address what I know about Oregon law. The problem I think that you've got really is under what circumstances is the tow truck driver non-forcibly entering someone's car. If they're doing it on the consent of the person that owns the car, hey, will you non-forcibly get into my car and so that I can tow my car out of this spot? They're allowed to do it. It's the person's car. There's no reason they can't do it. Even if they're forcibly getting into the person's car to be able to tow it from point A to point B, if they're doing it at the direction of the person that owns the car, totally permissible. I'm completely unaware of any reason why you wouldn't be allowed to do that, because again, if it's your property, your car, so long as it's done safely, you can crush the whole thing up. You can sell it, you can turn it in at a junkyard, you can do whatever you want. It's your stuff, and nobody can really tell you no unless you get like a lien holder or something like that. If the tow truck driver is non-forcibly entering someone's car without the consent of the person who owns the car, I want to know why. Because if the tow truck driver is non-forcibly entering someone's car so that they can steal stuff out of that car, probably a crime, probably not permissible. If they're doing it at the direction of a police officer, then you need to do another analysis of what is the authority by which this police officer has authority or believes they have authority to enter into this person's vehicle. Then you've got a bunch of subsidiary questions of, do you need a warrant to be able to go and do this? So that's it. It's a gray area question in its form. I hope that my answer was helpful, and until next time.